Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to announce our next Zero to Hero series, that is DevSecOps Zero to Hero. So this is going to be the first Zero to Hero series of 2026, something that you people have been asking for a long time. Anyways, finally, we are going to do this series for free on our YouTube channel. This is going to be a 7 day series. Now, without wasting any time, let me quickly walk you through the course syllabus. So, as I told you, this is going to be a 7 day series. We will start with the introduction first, where you will learn what exactly is DevSecOps. You will learn the shift left mindset. This is very important because a lot of people think DevSecOps is set of tools, but it is actually a culture. It is mindset. So in the very first lecture of this series, we will understand the shift left mindset. Then we'll understand another important thing about DevSecOps, that is threat modeling. When you learn about DevSecOps from various other sources, you might not come across threat modeling, but trust me, this is something that you should definitely know. And this is something that gives you a clear picture of your application. In what different areas your application can be exposed to vulnerabilities, threats, you will understand using threat modeling. Also, I'll take a sample application and I'll explain you how you can identify different threats for your application. So we will implement threat modeling in real time. This is going to be day one. Then in day two, we will focus on application security. You can broadly split DevSecOps into multiple categories, where one of the important category is application security. So in day two, we'll focus on application security. We'll focus on things like SCA, we'll focus on SAST, and we will also learn tools like Snyk and SonarQube. I'm sure a lot of you must have used SonarQube in the past, but I'll discuss how you can use SonarQube in real time, what kind of vulnerabilities you can identify using SonarQube, and how you can configure SonarQube for your application in real time. Along with that, we will also learn about Snyk. Snyk is again a very popular open source tool that is used by companies in real time. This is going to be your day two. So we will focus on SCA and SAST. Then in day three, we will learn about secrets management. Of course, whenever you talk about DevSecOps, I think the first thing that comes to your mind is secrets management. We will also focus on secrets management in this lecture, in this series. So what we'll cover as part of secrets management, basically, we will start with understanding how to manage your infrastructure as code secrets. As DevOps engineers or DevSecOps engineers, something that you deal with your day-to-day life is infrastructure as code. And as part of infrastructure as code, lot of DevOps engineers store their secrets in .env files, or they pass it through command line arguments. They paste them into plain text files, but that is not a good practice. We will learn how to manage IAC secrets in day 3. Then we will learn about Chekhov, which is a thing that DevSecOps engineers use in the CI/CD pipelines for securing the secrets or for secret management. We will learn about that. Then we'll also learn about another tool, Trufflehog, and we will learn about HashiCorp Vault. So if you understand, we will not directly focus on the tools. We will first understand the concept, and then we will focus on the tools as per the concept. So instead of just listing out 10 tools for DevSecOps, the goal of this series is to build the mindset, and according to the things that we learned, we will focus on the tools. So this is about day 3. Then in day 4, we will focus on container security. I don't have to tell you, these days, applications are deployed as containers, Kubernetes has become a unanimous target platform. So it is important to learn about container security. We will learn about that in day 4. As part of container security, we will learn about distroless images. Recently, Docker also launched something called Docker hardened images, DHI. We will also focus on that in container security lecture. Along with that, to strengthen your understanding on container security, we'll also focus on multi-stage builds, how to build a multi-stage image and use the distroless images or use lightweight images as your runtime container image. We will run that in the day 4 as well. Then in day 4, we will also learn about Kubernetes admission controllers, how you can restrict certain things within your container or how you can verify certain things in your container using Kubernetes admission controllers. We'll also learn about network policies to strengthen the security on the Kubernetes cluster. Finally, we will focus on Trivy. So Trivy is used for container image scanning in the CI/CD pipelines. We will learn how to use Trivy and how to place Trivy in your CI/CD pipelines. This is day 4. In day 5, we will focus on a different concept of DevSecOps, that is DAST. In day 2, we already learned about SAST. In day 5, we will focus on DAST. So in day 2, we learned SAST. In day 5, we will learn DAST. Okay, so introduction to DAST, what exactly it is. Then we will learn about OWSP ZAP, which is used very popularly for implementing DAST. I'll take a sample application here as well and show you how you can use this. Finally, we will also learn different ways of securing your APIs in day 5. Now in day 6, we will learn about runtime security. Till now, everything that we learned was not related to runtime security, but it is also important to secure your application or at least monitor the security of your application during the runtime. So that is where we will learn about what exactly is runtime security. We will learn about Falco, how you can secure your applications using Falco, and we will learn about compliance as code, how you can set up compliance within your organization and how you can implement compliance as code so that you know what are the boundaries for your application or what are the set of instructions that your application should follow. Otherwise, it will miss the compliance of your organization. This is about day 6. Finally, in day 7, we will build end-to-end DevSecOps pipeline. So whatever we learned from day 1 to day 6, we will implement that as a capstone project in day 7. So we will learn how to build end-to-end DevSecOps pipelines. We will learn different stages that are involved in the end-to-end DevSecOps pipelines, and we will use a real-time application for this. I'm already thinking of applications for you. I'm looking at applications which are very real time so that you can show that experience in your resume and you can also post it on your LinkedIn. This time, I will choose a very cool application with majority features. Like, for example, if I am going to take an e-commerce application, I'll make sure the functionality of the e-commerce application is very similar to e-commerce applications that you see on the internet. Or if I'm picking a retail application, the functionality of the retail application will be very similar to real time so that after implementing, you can record a video of your implementation and probably you can share it on your socials. So this is what you will learn in the 7 days of DevSecOps series. Yeah, this is something a lot of you have asked. I know, I keep reading the comment section. I keep seeing requests for DevSecOps because we have been doing lot of things. I could not complete or I could not start this series, but this is going to be the very first series of 2026. Now you might be wondering, Abhishek, when are you going to start this? So we will start this on 19th of January. So basically today is 4th of January. We will start this exactly after 15 days from now. In the meanwhile, I'll focus on preparing the course content. I'll focus on choosing the demo application, preparing the notes for you so that you can reference this GitHub repository as end-to-end revision material. I hope you will find this course very useful. I hope this course will help you upskill in 2026. Let me know if I missed anything, or let me know if you want me to add anything as part of this series. But I'm pretty sure I have covered everything that you need to know about DevSecOps. Perfect. So do let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. See you all in the next video. Take care. Bye bye, everyone.